Hello and welcome back to my channel. You're watching In Flavor with Shamika. In this video, I'll show you how you can make peri peri masala at home. To make this masala, just add 3 tablespoon red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon elaichi powder, 1 tablespoon oregano, half tablespoon mixed herbs, half tablespoon dalchini powder, half tablespoon ginger powder, half tablespoon black salt, some salt to taste and half tablespoon powdered sugar. Mix everything well and your masala is ready. Sprinkle it on french fries, potato wedges, chicken or any of your dishes to elevate the taste of the dish.